Thank you, Gina. Okay. All right, so guys, today we're going to have a math workshop, and we're going to kind of stop and look at all of the learning targets that we've done so far and see your understanding of those learning targets so that we can get you guys the support that you need. So we have 3 learning targets that we've worked with. How can you nice and loud read the first learning target?
Find and use fraction percent equivalents to solve problems.
Okay, what do we mean by fraction and percent equivalents?
A fraction and percent that equals like to a lesser one, but it means like the bigger one is can equal to the smaller one, but it's the same meaning.
Okay, so fractions and percents that are equal to each other. I heard you say equal, equal over and over again. That's great. Okay, let's have Rose nice and loud read the second learning target, please.
I can put fractions in order with like and unlike denominators.
Okay, that's what we're going to start with in just a minute here. Wilmar, can you read the third learning target?
I can compare fractions and determine which one is greater.
So that's very similar to your homework where you had 2 fractions and you had to say which one had the greater value. And then this is my personal favorite, and I know it's all of your personal favorites too. Nacha, I see that smile on your face. Go ahead and read this one.
I can explain my thinking.
All right, explain your thinking. So we're going to start off with some activities, and then we're going to get into the math workshop where you guys are going to be working in different groups with either Mr. Court, Mr. Randy, or myself. And whatever you're working on, I need you guys to focus on explaining your thinking and making sure you show your work. Okay? All right, on your desks, you guys have fractions on a sheet of paper. Everybody take it out, have it in front of you. Okay, all right. And what we are going to do is we're going to focus for a second on the second learning target, putting fractions and percentages in order when you have fractions that have like and unlike denominators. Okay? So over here on the carpet, I have 0. And over here, I have 1. What you guys are going to do in a minute but not yet is you are going to put yourself in order. Now, not all 15 of you are going to fit 0 to 1 standing next to each other like this. So our number line is going to be kind of funky. We're going to go here and around like this. So it's kind of a number square. So I'm going to give an example first. I'm going to ask Anna to come up, show everybody her fraction, and then I'm going to ask her to put herself where she thinks she should go. All right, so show everybody what do you have, Anna? A half. Okay? So because we're not doing a number line from here to here, but it's going all the way around, Anna, where do you think you should place yourself? Right there? Okay. So now you have some landmark numbers. You've got 0, you've got a half, and you have 1. Okay? I'm going to give you, let's see, I'm going to give you, what do you think you guys can do it in, what do you think, Mr. Court, Mr. Andy, 3 minutes? 4 minutes?
I was going to say 2. But
2? 5? 2? All right. I'm going to give you, using my handy timer, 2 minutes to put yourselves in order. And after 2 minutes, when you see my hand go up, that's your signal to be quiet. And Mr. Randy, Mr. Court, we're going to check it out. So Wilmar, what am I going to ask you to do? What am I asking you to do?
So go in one of these 3 groups and to like order to make a number line using this number.
Okay, but where are you going to walk over? Where's our number line going to be? Not in groups. I heard you say something about groups. You're not getting in groups, Wilmar. Look where Anna is. She's not in a group. She's actually on the carpet. It's the outer edges of the carpet where you're going to go and you're going to put yourself in the correct order. All right. 2 minutes. Go.
3 out of.
Bigger than 1/2 or smaller than 1/2? Greater than 1/2 or less than 1/2? Well, it depends. If this is our landmark number, let's see, this is everything that's less than 1/2. This is everything that's greater. So you know you're going to have to be in here somewhere.
So what's 1/6?
So now you need to find out what 4/6 would be.
I got 3 out of 4.
So can you think of a fraction?
Wait, so we have to have
'Cause you're 60% and you're 66%, you're going to be right there. Or Joey's right here. He's coming right back.
Wait, but I'm 3/4. That means I'm.
It's 3/4.
Thank you, Daniela. Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you, Winner. All right, can everybody hold their fractions so we can see them, the whole class can see them? I want you to look around at your classmates, and I want you to tell me what you think. Do you think that you guys are in the right order? Do you think that maybe somebody needs to be in a different order? Gayatri, can you hold it up? Higher? There we go. So take a look. Homer, maybe could you hold it in front of your face instead of Diana's face? All right, Danielle, let's see. So we got 1/16, 1/6. Okay, these guys think that they're equal, so 1/5 and 2/10, 25, 2/8, 1/3 new, I can't see yours, 4/10, a half. So everything on this side has to be less than a half. And we've got 3/5, 4/6, oh, we got some moving around, that's fine. We've got 3/4, 5/6, 5/8, and then 87.5%. So what do you guys think? Do you think that you are 100% correct? No. Do you have 15 out of 15? No? No? Okay, turn the person next to you. Everybody try to keep your fractions still so we can still see them. And talk about if you think that you guys are in the right order.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be there, but Joey has to be. And I got it 3.